Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to warm up Twitter X accounts using software. If you're running new accounts or managing a large number of accounts without proper warm-up, they can easily get interaction limited or even locked. The software I'm using is a tool that allows you to manage an unlimited number of Twitter accounts. You can manage hundreds or even thousands of accounts within a single interface. Main features include account management by categories, post content management, automatic posting on Twitter, auto comment, auto reply, automatic direct messaging, DM, auto repost, retweet. This tool is perfect for warm-up, account farming, and seeding. To warm up accounts naturally, you need to create interaction scenarios. Step 1. Go to the Interaction Scenarios section. Step 2. Click Create New Scenario. Step 3. Select the actions you want to perform. Example of a safe warm-up scenario. Scroll the feed for 30-45 seconds. Like 1-2 posts on the feed. Repost 1 post. Leave a random comment on a post. These actions simulate real user behavior and are very safe. After setting everything up, save the scenario. Select the scenario you just created. Choose the Twitter accounts you want to warm up. Click Start. The software will automatically perform all actions exactly according to the selected scenario. Features used during the warm-up process: scrolling the feed, reading notifications, makes the account look active and increases trust. Comment seeding builds a natural interaction history with relevant content. Auto-posting posts consistently on a schedule and avoids spam behavior. Using these features together correctly helps accounts gain trust quickly while staying safe. After a proper warm-up period, accounts are less likely to be restricted. Engagement becomes more stable, effective for marketing, seeding, or selling. If you're looking for a Twitter X account warm-up and unlimited account management software with support for auto-posting, reposting, and seeding, contact me using the information below. I'll provide consultation, live demo, and full setup support for you.